Okay, so this question is asking us which box has 3 triangles in it. Okay, let's check the first option. See how many triangles it has. So the first option has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, they asked us to find 3 triangles, not 6. So this one is wrong. If you move on to the next option, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 triangles. Again, it's not 3, so this again is wrong. And now the last option, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the correct option. Alright, so in this next question, they're asking us, which box has 5 lines? Let's see. So the first box has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines. Well, they asked us 5 lines, not 9 lines. So the first option is incorrect. Second option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. Again, they asked 5 lines, not 7 lines or 9 lines. Now the last option, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the last option is correct. Okay, so on this question, they're asking us, how many dots do you see? Ooh, it looks like a rainbow design of dots. Okay, let's count them. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So we see how many? 19 dots. Right, so on this question they're asking us, how many blue circles do you see? So we just want to see how many blue circles there are in this little area. So let's count them, shall we? So here's 1 blue circle, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we missed any. Nope, that's it. So how many blue circles did we see? We saw 5 blue circles, and we're done.